Hello there, I'm Jamie. I'm really pleased to announce the completion of this amazing and extensive course on how to quickly achieve compelling exterior night shots using 3ds Max, V-Ray and Photoshop. This unique step-by-step course is a follow-up from my previous daylight classes, which are currently available on my blog and on udemy.com. The first class starts with the meticulous process of converting a daylight scene into a night one, using some of the best techniques with 3ds Max and V-Ray. The second class takes users through the amazing process of turning this V-Ray raw render into a masterpiece using Photoshop in less than an hour. Both HD videos come with project files and subtitles which can easily be translated to most languages. The video classes are currently available for my Patreon supporters or $10 for my blog. These classes will also be available on udemy.com later this month, along with the day and night interior scenes. I really hope you find my classes useful.